Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya. I never introduced myself in the past video, but today I will be unboxing the brand new Pioneer DMH-WT8600NEX. So let's get started. So this is the new Pioneer DMH-WT8600NEX. I got this from Amazon. I think I got a great deal. I got it for $1,200 and it came with a camera, which I might put in the front of the car because my car has factory rear camera. And I also got a Sirius XM radio with the antenna. It also got a $70 mail-in rebate plus 3-month free service, required activation. For the people that love Sirius XM. Again, this is the camera, which later in the future I might put in front of the car, and the Sirius XM radio. So the regular price for this unit is $1,200 plus tax. I pay the same, and I got a few extra accessories. Before we open the box, I would like you to see the feature that it has. It works with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wireless, Alexa built-in, Data Link Maestro compatible, Metro the installation choice, Bluetooth HD radio, and Sirius XM ready. So it also has USB plus auxiliary, video out, dual phone connection, LED HD, the high resolution display, steering wheel control ready, and it has a 3-way network mode. Look how beautiful. All right, let's get started. All right, the first thing we see is the controller. This is the USB Type-C extension cable. Screws. The harness. I believe this is the GPS antenna. More harness. the microphone, the bracket, a USB Type-C adapter, and of course the manual and the warranty. And they have it in English, French, Espanol, and Portuguese. It's the box. Probably the screen is inside here, well protected. This is the main unit. It's a single DIN. And this is the brain. This is where you plug in the screen, and then the bracket goes here in some place. It has a little fan. I believe this is where you connect the Series XM and your antenna, your car antenna. It has a HDMI in, a 5-volt 3-amp, a GPS mic, a GPS plug-in. So this is the GPS of the unit. You connect this here. The microphone, you connect it here, and I'm not sure what is this. It has like a W/R. It has a 10-amp fuse, and here where you connect the harness, and a mini fan. Next, let's open the screen. Well protected with the foam, and here's the beauty. Here's the back. It comes with a screen protector, but maybe in the future you could get a tempered glass screen protector or a anti-glare screen protector. It's a beautiful unit. Okay, so you get the main unit, the brain, the screen, the controller, microphone, bracket, GPS antenna, harness, and another harness. This is the harness. This is the harness which has the auxiliary in, the mute, It has a second camera input, front output, rear input, rear output, subwoofer output, and the rear monitor output. Okay, so the harness goes here, and the accessory harness goes here. You also get an extension cable, which has a USB Type-C, some screw to attach the screen, a USB Type-C adapter, and this is the open box of the brand new unit, Pioneer DMH-WT8600NEX. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. On my next video, I will be installing the unit into my 2016 Toyota Highlander. I'm waiting for the parts. I believe next week I'll be having everything. The dash kit, the harness, the maestro, a whole bunch of accessory that will be going into the Toyota Highlander. I will be making a full how to install the unit into the Highlander from the beginning to the end. And on my next video, I will be making a review on the product.